Hi, today I will be showing you how to sound like an inkling. First take some water, put it in your mouth. Kind of sound like an octolid. So don't forget this is OctoKid. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.